How to kill Liriope. Liriope spicata is an invasive monkey grass species. The plant spreads quickly through underground rhizomes, horizontal stems from which roots and stalks sprout, taking over flower beds and lawns. It might take several seasons to eradicate Liriope spicata from your yard. The process requires repeated cultivation and herbicidal treatment to consistently kill the plants until they cease to reappear. You might have to replant grass and flower beds once the battle is over. Things you'll need: rototiller, heavy metal rake, glyphosate, cardboard optional. Rototill the ground where Liriope spicata is present. As an alternative, pull up as many of the plants by hand as you can. Rake the tilled ground with a heavy metal rake. Pull as much of the plant debris out of the ground as possible. Do nothing else until a new generation of Liriope spicata sprouts in the cultivated area. Spray the baby Liriope spicata plants with an herbicide containing the chemical glyphosate. If plants you value are nearby, first place pieces of cardboard around them. The screen prevents the chemical mist from landing on and killing them. Perform this step in spring, summer and fall. Repeat steps 1 to 3 the following years until you have killed the entire Liriope spicata lot.